Hi there, Corby Mitleid, your no bullshit psychic, and I know that normally I do a reading for the week on Sundays, but tonight I felt a nudge, and so instead I think Baruchiel wants to give us a channeling, so let me get settled in, and then we'll hear what he has to say. Beloved child, there are only so many words to get across to people until everything sounds like an echo of something else. You look constantly for something to give you hope, something to light the fire under you. You wonder how much longer is the dark, and how enveloping will it be. The truth is there is much darkness ahead, but we ask that you think about shadows. Shadows are truly cast in your world only when there is light to create them. Even when you think there are shadows in the dark, what they are is a proof of there still being light, ever so faint, or you would not see them against the greater darkness. Shadows also show us shapes that may not truly reflect what is blocking the light. How many of you made puppet shapes with your hands as children, watching your fingers create rabbits and ducks? Were there really rabbits and ducks? There were not, but you used the light to cast these shadows. The light taught you how to create them. Realize then that these darker shadows cast across your world are attempting to block the light, to convince you that light does not exist. But without the light, neither would they. And the shadows cannot overcome the light, for if they try, they themselves are lost. As the shadows march across the weeks ahead, remember to look for the light that is stronger than they are and which creates them. As the light within you grows stronger, as the light within your fellow beings grows stronger, there will still be shadows, but you will recognize them as lessons that humankind has requested, and therefore understand that once the lessons are dealt with, you can find your straighter, better road that brings you closer to living within your entire soul, rather than just the human mind with its forever limitations. For a human cannot contain all that they are until the body is released. I hope this brings you useful information, and we wish you a good week ahead.